Cheer. De Niro Black. Ice Boys. Put them bottles in the air and let's get it crackin'. It's them Ice Boy niggas. We keep shit crackin'. Them vets from the south side, the bricks from the outside. Got everybody looking in. Yes, we known for hooking them to death, motherfucker. That's how we do it. We keep it moving. Benji's, I'm assuming my flows go right through them. So intrusive the way we do shit. Man, when we do it, it's too cold on the motherfucking microphone. But Ice Boy don't make shit. Put bottles in the air, blaze one tonight. Don't care if you don't smoke, you gotta get right tonight. Cause this could be the rest of your life. Why not get right? Why not get high tonight? Niggas gon' die tonight. Might as well live it right. YouTube, it's your boy Mike Tees back at you with another video. Hey, y'all see that grizzly in there? Yeah, it's that flip-flop, holographic. But we're going to get into pressing some hats and some masks on this Ricoma Hat Press. So, yo, y'all see that? It's a Russell's Athletics. If you can find you a deal at a cheap price, go ahead and grab it. No, you might not necessarily need it right then and there, but I'm telling you, later on down the road, you'll be thanking yourself. These hats usually go for $10 to $14, because I've seen some that doesn't have a mesh back. Trust me, this is a steal. Go on and grab it. So I just loaded the hat onto the hat press. Getting ready to press that with Econo's flock, black flock. Make sure you go and copy some today. The affiliate links are down below. And we're also going to press on the mask using Econo V white. So I have my temperature set at 320 degrees for 15 seconds. I also have this pillow right here in there for a little bit more support underneath the hat. So I'm just loading it. Hey, yo, y'all remember last time what happened when I tried to press a hat? Things was smoking, things was all out of whack. But yo, I figured it out. It was the first time. It seemed to be some type of greasy residue on the actual plating. And when that heated up, it released off some of that initial smoke that we had seen. As for the Celsius and the Fahrenheit, make sure you have the two actually distinguished. You know what I'm saying? And that's at Ricoma. I should have adjusted the pressure because of the actual pillow that I stuffed in there, but hey, I make the mistakes, so you don't have to. Just go back and watch all the videos. You'll see. Ooh, that popped right on up, didn't it? It's a little bit hot. The initial design I actually messed up on and I overcut it, but when I was weeding it, I was like, hey, I think I like that. So we're gonna keep it, but that's what it looks like. And you can see where the pressing pillow actually played its part. It actually did get in there, but there's a creasing line. For that, you will make sure to adjust your temperature. The next hat will come out smoothly, I guarantee it. So for the second press, we're going to be using this mask, this heather gray mask, and we're putting Smitty on here. Actually, earlier today while I was working, I had a couple of hat orders that needed Smitty. I ended up cutting way too many Smitties, and I have an abundance of masks. So I'm going to try this out also on the same hat press. Once again, that's a Ricoma Hat Press, auto open. Check it out, y'all. It's got nice stylish features. You can touch the screen, all of the above. So yeah, we're back at the actual hat press. And we're getting ready to put this mask on. There's a couple of ways that you can do this. You can use a pressing pillow. You can use socks. Trust me, I've used socks to make up for that actual gap. You can actually use just the platen itself and make sure that you're adjusted right. Your pressure is right. That way you can avoid timely, costly mistakes. Me, I like to wing it, make the mistakes so you don't have to, and then you can judge for yourself. And you can make your own calculations based off the mistakes that I've already made. So let's load this to the actual heat press, the Ricoma Auto Open, without a pressing pillow. I believe I got a pack of 5 from Amazon one time. Then I believe I got a pack of 5 from Heat Press Nation. You can get these Teflon pillows anywhere. I recommend you hit up Heat Transfer Warehouse down in the description link below. They can get you the pressing pillows for a great price. And by the way, that Press Pro, y'all. So real quick, let's talk about it. I have it at 320 degrees. That's what I'm just used to pressing at. And they gave you a whole manual right here. If you need some more instructions and guidance on press times, you could do your own due diligence and actually go look that up. But I'm just going to keep it at 320 for 15 seconds. But they have this nice touch screen, which I want to display right now. So let's say I want to change the target temp. It's at 320 degrees. We can come here, hit temperature, Fahrenheit, that's where the problem was last time, and then drop it down just by touching it, which I might leave it here at probably 305, and then drop the timer to about 10 seconds. See how that does. So as you can see, it's rapidly dropping the temperature. Not rapidly, but quick enough. And y'all, I've been on vacation. You know, I've been through the ringer. I've been having a lot go on, y'all. Y'all don't know about it, but I know about it. And it kind of threw me out of the loop, but now I'm back in the loop. The vacation was wonderful. My wife extended our stay, and we ended up staying another 5 days. I enjoyed the ocean. I say all of this to say to you, if you're a person that works nonstop 24/7, it is very, very, very important to take those breaks. If you follow me on any of my social medias, you see I'm the type of guy that comes in the store and work, and then I go home and work again. But my good friend over at T-Shirt Side Hustle says, if you never get off work to go home, then you never get off. Now, I might have misquoted it. I didn't say it exactly how he said it, but I'm pretty sure you get the point. So let's press this mask. So we're getting ready to press this mask right now for 10 seconds, and the temperature is still a little bit high, but it will drop. I mean, y'all, look, I'm trying to get up out of here. I'm tired. I want to eat. I think we having like buffalo wraps or something like that. It's gonna slap. Can't wait for it. Love that magnetic feature, how it snaps. Do I have enough pressure? Let's see. Roll her back. You know what, Alexis? Get my face on camera. With that Econos, it's the pill for me. And it weeds like butter, baby! Woo! But yeah, that came out crispy, y'all. I know I was a little bit pumped. So here's the end product, and you know, it's just for an example. What I'll probably do is at night, when I leave here, I'll leave this actually on the hat press so folks can get the general idea. Well, is that a hat press or a mask press? And they'll get to ask some questions. So I'll leave that there, and I'll have the hat hanging off of here. Just little things that I do to upsell myself when I'm not here. But y'all know what time it is. I gotta holler at some of the people that support me in a real way. Right off bat, Jason Maycock. Now, he was in another video I may have mentioned, but I don't think I released it, so I had to say his name again. That's South Bay Creations on Instagram. He does a lot of work with leather. Y'all need to go check him out, for real, for real. And subscribe to his YouTube channel. Hey, yo, you caught me scrolling. I was trying to get the other squad constituents, or my Facebook family, or my YouTube family, or my Instagram family, or my okay, it gets a little bit absurd at times. But on all my platforms, Team Jesus, appreciate you. She's a real one. She actually stopped in my store the other day, and I found out that she lives right around the corner. It's a small world after all. Jessica Johnson. Yeah, once again, you caught me scrolling red-handed. But yo, Those are my Facebook family and my other media family and the YouTube gang, the T gang, the Grizzly gang. I just want to show though that we do appreciate you subscribing, liking, and commenting, and being active in all of the social medias. I truly, 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 truly appreciate you. But let's unveil what the hat looks like since you guys haven't seen it. Hey, what y'all think? Now, I initially messed up on the design, and I smashed it to death, y'all. But you got to do your due diligence. You got to learn the machine inside and out. I'm just giving y'all my responses as I am pressing for the first couple of times with the Ricoma Hat Press. Make sure to join that members if you haven't, members only. There'll be plenty of contests inside of there, plenty of content that'll drop that probably won't ever see the day of light on the original YouTube, and amongst other things. But that buffalo chicken wrap is calling me, y'all. My stomach is growling way more than that grizzly growl. I don't think that growls.
They say the system wanna take my life. So I flipped a couple grams overnight. It was nothing, no fight. I moved face towards the light. Money bag is light. If it's one thing I was taught, and that's money, I need it right. I'm taking it just to make it. Let's face it, and just embracing your money. I gotta take the shooting. I beat the case. My niggas, we all trapped. So it seems like it's a race, and the goons is OGs. It's out to see the cake, and my niggas, we all trapped. Seems like it's a race. Goons and OGs is out to see the cake. And I hope you're all calm and called you up, man. In the flash, it's Ice Boys who robbed your whole plan. The end, we gotta win. Taking it to your mans, hitting your trap house, slacking up niggas' skins. They call me J Nash, or Nash to run it back. The cat, the whole strap. It's known that he can rap. It's proven and it's a fact. We bringing the law back. If not, to step your hustle up, nigga, and trap back.
Cheers. Now break it down for me. Please break it down for me. Cheers. Ice, 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 ice. How we do it, that's how we do it, that's how we do it, that's how we, that's how we do it.
Put the bottles in the air, blaze one tonight, don't care if you don't smoke. You gotta get it right tonight, cause this could be the rest of your life. Why not get right? Why not get hot tonight? Niggas gon' die tonight. Might as well live it right, cause this could be the rest of